I don't think there's any question it's a bad chemical. If it was a great chemical, they'd still be using it. It was great for what it was supposed to do in their business. The fact is, it's a toxic chemical, and they got rid of it because of that. Now, to do some form of long-term health study for our village, and hopefully that would be inclusive enough to include those people who have moved away. If they were exposed to our water supply from the time they were, from birth till they were 20 or 25, then moved away. You'd like to follow them for the next 10 or 20 years after, because if they're coming down with cancer or some illness that certainly could be related to our drinking water, we'd want to know that. And unfortunately, we're an old mill town. People now really are not always growing up there and then staying there. A lot of us, people are working with it environmentally, probably at higher levels, higher serum levels than those who just drank the water. So unfortunately for those who lived in Hoosick Falls and worked there, they probably got double doses. The filter's there right now. I think it's a short-term fix. That's fine. That'll hopefully make the water safe for people to drink at this point. I think really, whether it be Superfund or at least, with the EPA and Mr. Schumer getting involved, I think the fact that we'll get new wells dug and really get the village clean drinking water, for the future, and not continue to filter dirty drinking water for the next 30 years. I think that's really going to be the way to go.